Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, circle, practice set 6.2. Okay, so here is the first question of practice set 6.2. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Okay, here is the radius. जब कोई भी पॉइंट से सर्कल टच होता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? रेडियस. ठीक है, तो रेडियस क्या है? ओ बी और ओ डी इज़ 10 सेंटीमीटर. देर आर टू कॉर्ड्स ऑफ द लेंथ 16 सेंटीमीटर ईच. यहाँ पे दो कॉर्ड्स है. कॉर्ड्स किसको बोलते हैं हम? जो कि सेंटर, सर्कल के सेंटर पे टच नहीं होता है. ठीक है, ओके. सो यह मैंने आप लोग को बताया था कि कॉर्ड का मीनिंग क्या होता है. एक सर्कल होता है, देन जो ऐसी लाइन जो सर्कल की कहीं पर भी हो बट वो सेंटर से टच नहीं होती है, उसको क्या हम लोग बोलेंगे? कॉर्ड. ओके, सो द लेंथ ऑफ टू कॉर्ड्स इज 16 सेंटीमीटर ईच. ओके, सो ए बी इज 16 सेंटीमीटर एंड सी डी इज ऑल्सो 16 सेंटीमीटर. What will be the distance of these chords from the center of the circle? We have to find the distance of these chords from the center. Here is the center and these two chords. We have to find these distances. Okay. So first, let the center of the circle be O. Let the center of circle be O, and let the segment AB and CD be the given congruent chord. क्या बता रहा है कि AB और CD क्या है? Congruent chord. मीन्स सेम है. ठीक है, 16 and 16 सेंटीमीटर. Then segment OM is perpendicular to AB. Segment OM is perpendicular to AB and AMB. Then and segment ON is perpendicular to CD. Segment ON is perpendicular to CD such that C and D. Okay, C and D. Then OB is equals to OD is equals to 10 centimeter. Radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. Here is the given radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. So OB and OD is 10 centimeter. Then AB and CD is 16 centimeter. This one is also given. There are two chords of length 16 centimeter each. Means the one chord, the length of a one chord is 16 and the length of a other chord is 16. Okay. So AB is 16 and CD is also 16. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular drawn, ये जो perpendicular जब हम लोगों ने देखे ड्रॉ हो रहा है from the center of the circle bisect the chord. ये क्या करता है? chord को bisect करता है. It will be bisect the chord. Then student, therefore MB is equals to half of AB. Here you can see MB. Where is MB? MB is equals to half of AB. Okay, here MB is equals to half of AB. Okay, so AB is 16 centimeter. Then half of AB. AB is 16 centimeter because this one is given in the question. Okay, chord is 16 centimeter. Then 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. So MB is 8 centimeter. So we have to use Pythagoras theorem on triangle OMB. Where is OMB here? OM and B. On this we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then the 90 degree opposite sign is hypotenuse sign. So BO square is equals to MB square plus MO square. Okay. In a right angle triangle OMB, OB square, OM square plus MB square. Okay, OB is 10 centimeter. Here OB is 10 centimeter and AB is 16 centimeter. And MB, here we have find MB is 8 centimeter. Okay. Then OM as it is we will write here. Then square of 10 is 100 and square root of 8 is 64. Okay. When we change the side of 8 square, that is 64. So it will be changing minus sign. Okay. So 10 minus 64. Sorry, 100 minus 64, that is 36. When we put this 36 in root, so 6 6 are 36. So answer will be 6. OM is 6 centimeter. The congruent chord are equidistant from the center of the circle. Chord जो है इसकी congruent है AB and CD. So when OM will be 6 centimeter. So ON is also 6 centimeter because chords are congruent there. Okay. When OM is 6 centimeter, so ON is also 6 centimeter. Okay, ON is also 6 centimeter because chords are congruent here. Then ON is equals to OM, so ON is also 6 centimeter. The distance of the given chord from the center of the circle is 6 centimeter. Chords का जो distance है center से, जो कि question में था, what will be the distance of this chords from the center of the circle? So the chords distance will be 6 centimeter. Okay students, so here is the next question. In a circle with radius 13 centimeter. In a circle with radius, here question will be given here, diagram, 13 centimeter, two equal chords are at the distance 5 centimeter. Two equal chords are there, okay, sorry, two equal chords are there, AB and CD, at a distance from the center at a distance 5 centimeter. Find the length of a chord. We have to find this length of a chord. Okay, so how will we find? Let the center of the circle be O. Let the center of a circle be O. Let segment AB and segment CD be the given congruent chord. These are the congruent chord. These are the similar to each other. Okay. Then segment OM is perpendicular to AB. Here you can see segment OM is perpendicular to AB. The sign will be created. Then segment ON is perpendicular to CD. Okay, segment OM is perpendicular to AB, AMB, and segment ON is perpendicular to CD, C and D. Okay, radius of a circle is 13 centimeter, should be given here. Okay, radius of a circle is 13 centimeter. OB and OD is equal 13 centimeter. Okay, OB and OD. Here you can see clearly. OB and OD is 13 centimeter. There is also 13 and this one is also 13 centimeter. Then in right angle triangle OMB, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle OMB, in right angle triangle OMB, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So which side should we take in opposite of is equals to sign? Here is M is 90 degree sign here. M have a 90 degree sign. So the opposite sign will be hypotenuse. Okay. So OB square is equals to MB or BM. Okay. MB square or BM whatever plus MO square या OM square. Okay. So here OB square is equals to OM square plus MB square. OB here is given. OB is 13 centimeter and OM is 5 centimeter should be given here. OM is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter as it is we will write here. And MB we have to find. Okay. MB square. So the square of 13 is 169 and the square of 5 is 25. First we have to take square. 13 square 169, 5 square 25, MB as it is we will write here. Then when we change the side of MB is equals to 165 and here is plus 25. So when we change the sign it will be changed in minus 25. Okay. When we minus 169 minus 25, so the answer will be 144. When we put 144 in square root, so the answer will be 12 because 12 12s are 144. Okay, now here MB is 12. Okay, MB is 12. We will find now MB is 12. Then the question will be find the length of a chord. We have to find AB. Here we can find MB. So MB is 12 when we multiply 12 multiply by 2, because we have to find full line. Okay, AB. So here MB is a half of AB. MB is a half of AB. Here you can see MB is a half of AB. Okay. So MB is equals to 12. AB we have to find the chord. Okay, so AB as it is, and it will be changed in multiply sign because here is in divided form. Okay, here is in divided form, that's why it will be changed in multiplication. Here is not in divided form, that's why it will be changed in plus or minus sign. Okay, so 12 to the 24. So the chord AB is 24. Find the length of the chords. Okay, AB and CD both we have to find. Okay, so here we can find AB. AB is 24. Then chord AB and chord CD is congruent. Okay, so CD is also 24. Okay, CD is also 24 because AB and CD are congruent. AB and CD are equal. This one is given here. Okay, then length of each of two equal chords of circle is 24. Okay, दोनों भी हर एक कॉर्ड का, दोनों में से एक एक कॉर्ड का जो डिस्टेंस है वो क्या है 24. Okay students, now this one will be the third one. Segment PM and segment PN are the congruent chords of the circle. Here you can see segment PM and PN are the congruent chords because these lines are not intersect from point. Okay, so with center C, show that the ray PC bisector of NPM. PC is bisector of NPM. PC is bisector of NPM. This will be bisect. We have to show now only. Okay, so draw segment CM and CN. We have to draw CM and CN. Then triangle CPM and CPN. Okay, triangle CPM and CPN. In that triangle, segment PM and PN given. These are congruent. Segment PN and PN. How it will be given? Because the line is shown here, these two lines. This was mentioning the segment PN and PM is congruent. Okay, then segment PC and PC is congruent because common side, PC and PC. These are two triangles and this one is common side. Okay, so PC and PC is a common side. CM and CN segment is congruent because radius of a same circle. CM and CN, these are the radius. Okay, so this one is also congruent. Then triangle CPM and CPN are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. CPM and CPN are congruent just because of side test, because here is nothing angle will be shown. Okay, no one single angle will be shown. Okay, so it will be side. Okay, side test. Then angle CPM and CNP is corresponding angle of a congruent triangle because this R is congruent. Okay, so ray PC is the bisector of NPM. रे PC इज बाइसेक्टर ऑफ NPM. नो क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, नॉर्मली बस हम लोग को बताना है कि ये इससे कॉन्वेंट है, ये इससे कॉन्वेंट है और ये जो है कॉमन साइड है. उसके बाद क्या होगा, हम लोग को बताना है कि ये जो ट्रायंगल्स है बाय SAS टेस्ट से दे आर कॉन्वेंट. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई PC इज बाइसेक्टर ऑफ NPM.